this morning. I wonder if the camera's picking that up or not. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Big Mac here. We're up at Madawaska today. We're going to check out the logger's loop. The big question today is what machine's going to run out of fuel first? Miami 2021 XMR Maverick Sport or Ties 2022 Renegade 1000 or Chris's brand new 2024 XTP 2000. We'll see who runs out of fuel first. That's the big concern today. It's going to be dusty for a bit. We're supposed to get some rain, so that might help with the dust. But yeah, sit back, relax, grab a drink or two, and enjoy. You don't see this in Dundas.
What a beautiful spot.
Hey Ty. It says move closer. Move closer. That's better, yeah. That's a good one.
Hey, take one of Chris tight.
Hold on a second. Of course, Ty doesn't have his face exposed.
Nobody will ever know who Ty is. He never shows his face.
No.
Ghost Rider.
Just very nice.
Yeah. I wonder if you can go right up top there. Ugh. Jealous the guys out west because they had all this shit, but I guess if we look hard enough we can find it.
Yeah. Ty, Tinder, right there, stop.
Yeah, there you go.
Sec, I gotta get a portrait.
You gotta look at the camera. We'll make it up, there's no problem. that, a pond playing. Gotta love black flies. Look at Ty over here. Look at all prim and proper. Look, he's closing it in a hurry, and so I can't look at it. So I can't put it on the internet. Open up your box, Ty. Show the people at home how well organized your box is here. Look, he's got the thing all folded nice and neat. All the corners aren't matching here. Everything running okay?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not overheating, not getting hot at all.
And comes on consistently.
And it cools right down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Okay,
good. Yeah, everything's tight and right, man.
Unleash the beast, Ty. Oh fuck. That thing is fucking harder than shit.
Yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think
so we just ran into a guy, two guys with side-by-sides. One guy had his family, the other guy had a razor trail, and they're complaining on how rocky it is. This isn't even that bad. This is fucking awesome. This is like what we're used to, a little bit more technical. We're used to. See how long it'll last. I'm gonna get Ty to fill my can back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill a can up. I've got half the tank.
I do too. So I think we've done 77 kilometers. So I think I should be able to make it back.
Okay. Because we're past the halfway point, right?
I have no idea. I'd imagine. I thought Lake St. Peter would be the half point because we'll start going back up.
Right, but is that 100? Wasn't it only 130 loop?
There's 106.
That Nick's?
Right.
Nick, is this yours? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's 106 loop, and we haven't varied from it much.
No. You feel good. You got 3 bars left.
Right.
You got those 2 cans too.
Right. Let's roll the dice.
What do they got here, Ty? They got high test? Oh, only 91.
91, unfortunately.
Oh.
Anybody have bigger than that?
Huh?
Nobody has bigger than 91.
Yeah.
Who?
It's a Petro can took over Snorkel. It's got 94. They still got 94 in Dundas.
Over at Petrocan?
Yeah. Carnage report. Said carnage report. I'm just hammering this thing through everything. Oh, it looks good. Nothing's falling off.
Bring up the front end a bit.
Yeah.
It just feels. It doesn't feel right.
No.
No.
Doesn't feel like stiff.
It feels.
I bet you if you adjust the spring down, it'll raise it up.
Like squeeze it so it pushes it up.
Yeah, because look at how far down ties are, his front springs are compared to yours. And then look at yours and it's freaking, you'll see the freaking difference. Like yours are right near the top.
Oh, you mean the ring?
Yeah. See how much more down his is?
Oh yeah. That's what I like. It's nosing down like that. I think once I pick it up,
Yeah.
will that make it ride rougher?
It'll make the spring, like it'll be, the springs will be a lot more sturdier.
That's all I think. I just got to bring it up like just an inch.
What, is it really soft?
It feels like it's kind of washy.
Oh yeah? Yeah, that might stiffen it up a bit for you. Does it slide a lot?
The front? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining. It does slide.
No, dude, we're just bashing through that trail like 50K. Like my machine's taking it no problem. I was waiting for a wheel to rip off a couple of times.
That's exactly what I'm like. It's taking everything.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining. I'm just thinking, I think it's just got to come up just a bit.
Yeah. All right, let's hammer her home. You almost ready,
Give
sir?
these a quick wipe because we're getting.
Oh yeah, they get all
What's that?
they get all
This
juicy.
side's bad too.
Oh, I got my
You got some? Yeah.
oh, that was a bad place to put those.
Probably will have to stop putting fuel in, but we'll wait till the bar disappears.
Oh, thank you.
I'm waiting until mine starts blinking at me, and then I'm gonna put that 5 gallons. I think we're gonna make it back. We had to just had to put about 10K on right there.
I don't know how far we are away, but
We're almost at 100K right now.
right.
Yeah, we were flying through there. I've never been really into just giving her through the trail, but this is actually kind of fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my god. I still got 3 bars. We've gone 105 kilometers. Oh.
100 well, 90.
Mine says we've gone 105.
Huh?
Mine says we've gone 105.
In total?
Yeah.
Oh, mine says 90.
Did you turn yours on when we left, or?
Yeah, right when we left.
Yeah. Maybe it's just the beast there spinning the tires too much. We're getting extra kilometers.
I think this thing does have a smaller tank.
Yeah.
Well, I filled that one, and then mine, it was 29 bucks
Yeah.
with the high test. It's got to be a fairly small tank.
Yeah. How much have you burned so far?
Oh, probably at least 2 bars.
Oh yeah.
It needs to be mapped, I think, man.
Huh?
I think it's running a little bit. I can
Rich?
smell
Yeah.
some fuel, like just a little
You
bit.
hear
like-
mine backfiring all the time?
Oh, yours is?
Yeah. Coming down hills is going bang, 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 bang. I'm like, holy. I still got 3 bars left. That is pretty cool, eh?
That's a great system, man.
It's not that. That's not the slick part. It's this.
Yeah, it's the tank, yeah.
Oh, yeah. The design of it's
If you could find somebody that could make a mold.
Yeah, that's a nice, easy tank to pour.
Pour it's contoured to the
Yeah,
rack, so
exactly.
it doesn't stick
Yeah.
out.
Very well done.
Like I did see a guy, he took a roto, those 5-gallon roto packs,
Yeah.
and he had them strapped to the top of here. But they did hang over like this, so it was just like the,
I like
If I had to got these, I was just gonna put that roto pack through here.
a drill into the
Bolt them
side. Yeah. Look how shiny that rad is. It's like brand spanking new. It's never even seen mud. Oh my lord.
So 1 5-liter.
Give you 3 bars?
Yeah. So I'm only gonna put 1 in.
You're gonna put 1 in? We gotta be close, man. Like I'm interested to see how big my tank is. It's gotta be huge.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of fuel to fill it. I think it took $60
$60?
at the gas station. Yeah, high test.
Holy yeah, yours is a lot bigger than mine.
It's got to be like a 20-liter tank, or if not more.
I'm guessing mine's pretty small.
Yours has got to be like a 10 or maybe a
very
15.
I think I've already burnt 2 bars.
Yeah, Chris has got to be like up there too.
I think it's a 20.
Yeah, we'll have to Google it when we get home.
Every penny, my friend.
I think. Well,
Yeah.
It's gonna keep riding Can-Ams. All you can do is move it to the next.
Exactly. Yep.
Just take the accessories off, put it on the next one.
$400 box, Ty.
I know I bought a $400 for my other one, right? But I gave it to him. Wasn't gonna really.
You just gotta put the plate across it.
What's it?
That plate probably cost another $400.